Hi, Lisa B here. Welcome to another Ecopsyched outdoor adventure, with a little trail cleanup, of course. Today, I'm going to take you to High Rock. The name speaks for itself, but I pose this question. Is graffiti art or vandalism when it's found in nature?
The platform at High Rock once launched hang gliders high into the air over the valley below. It's now a lookout for anyone who finds their way to this out-of-the-way location. It's also an attraction for graffiti artists, or vandals, depending on how you'd classify them. Graffiti is a popular form of urban expression. It's sometimes synonymous with street art, though street art is more often curated works by professional artists. The markings at High Rock are primarily graffiti, folks stopping by to etch their names in paint for a moment in time.
What's your take on the paint at High Rock? Art or vandalism? Beautiful or blasphemous? Let me know in the comments below. I'll get the conversation started. And if you enjoyed this episode, please hit like below and subscribe to the Ecopsyched channel for more adventures. Thanks for coming along with me. I'm Lisa B.
Join me for next week's Upcycle episode with trashy treasures from High Rock. To join me, Lisa B, for more Ecopsyched adventures, Subscribe to the Ecopsyched YouTube channel and connect on social media at Ecopsyched.